Zontes 368G Handlebar Position Adjustment Video Tutorial. Adjusting the handlebar height. Required tools. Pick tool. 6 mm Allen socket. Torque Re. NCH. Use the pick tool to remove the 4 decorative CA. PS. Use the 6 mm Allen socket to loosen the 4 handlebar mounting bow. LTS. Rotate the handlebar and align the lower scale mark on the handlebar with the scale mark on the clamp. Then use the 6 mm Allen socket to tighten the handlebar mounting bolts. Torque specification. 25 Nm. Reinstall the decorative E-caps. Moving the handlebar forward. Required tools. Pick tool. 6 mm Allen socket. 100 Nm torque wrench. 10-inch extension bar. 5-inch extension bar. Universal joint socket. 14 mm socket. Use the pick tool to remove the 4 decorative caps on the handlebar clamp. Use protective wrap, bubble wrap, to cover and protect the area around the handlebar and the key switch. Turn the handlebar fully to the left. Then use the 6 mm Allen socket to remove the 4 M8x30 bolts on the clamp. Place the handlebar in a suitable position. Be careful not to scratch the covered key area or the instrument display screen. Remove the 2 Velcro straps from the handlebar spacer block. Use the appropriate tool to loosen the 2 M10x60 bolts that secure the handlebar riser block. Note, it is not necessary to remove them completely, just loosen them enough to take out the handlebar riser block. Remove the handlebar riser blow. CK apply thread locker to the threads as shown in the video. Following the method in the video, flip the handlebar riser block and install it in the corresponding position. View of the effect after reversing installation. Tighten the handlebar riser block mounting bolts. Torque specification. 60 Nm. Tighten the handlebar clamp mounting bolts. Torque specification. 25 Nm. Align and center the handlebar scale marks with the angle adjustment marks on the handlebar clamp.
I'm coming for the throne.